Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Isabel and for today's video we're going to be making these super cute Hello Kitty and Friends Halloween baskets. I'm going to be showing you how to make these using my template. The template includes the 5 designs you see on the screen, and for purposes of this tutorial we're going to be making Cinnamoroll, but basically the same techniques apply for all the different designs. So for the rest of the characters, you just need to follow the same steps. I will leave you the full list of materials and tools in the description. You will need good quality crepe paper and you will also need your printed template. So first we're going to build the base. So you're going to take your template, you're going to cut it, transfer it to cardboard, and then you're going to cut 2 identical panels, one for the front and one for the back. And we will also need a strip of cardboard of around 7 centimeters wide to make the size of your little basket. So then we're going to attach the side strip to the back panel and then to the front panel. Now we will start covering the base. We're going to start with the sides first. So we're going to cut a section of paper wide enough to cover the sides and a little bit extra so you can wrap it around the front and the back. I recommend you to use Florist quality paper. I couldn't find it, so I'm using regular paper, and that's why I'm going to be using 2 layers because otherwise it's going to be too sheer. But if your paper is thick enough, then you don't need to apply a second layer. So once we are done covering the sides, we're going to cover the back. So I am applying 1 base layer of crepe paper and then I am applying a second layer, and this one is going to be fringed. If you watched my videos before, you know that I love making piñatas, so that's why I love this style so much. It gives you a very fun and a very festive look. So now we will decorate the front. So take your template and this time you're going to transfer it to thin cardboard. A cereal box is perfect for this if you have one. And then using your template to guide you, you're going to split the 3 separate sections. So now we're going to start adding the volume. So you can use tissue paper or paper towels. So take a couple of pieces of paper and scrunch them following the shape and glue it on to the cardboard. Then you're going to take a paper towel to cover the tissue paper, and this will give us a smooth surface to work with. Use hot glue to secure the paper towel at the back and also get rid of any excess paper towel. So this is how the finished piece looks like, and then we're going to do the same with the other 2 pieces. And you can also use a plastic bag or bubble wrap to create the volume. Just make sure that it's soft enough so you don't have any creases showing. Now we're going to cover each one of the pieces with crepe paper. So start at the widest part, apply a little bit of glue to secure the paper, and then gently start folding the paper outwards. And every time you're folding, just check the front to make sure that everything looks smooth. And then once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and apply the glue. Take your time to fold and to wrap the paper, and it's best to work slowly and fold little sections at a time. This is really important and is going to help you to end up with a nice smooth surface. A little bit of creasing is normal. This is a handmade project at the end of the day, and this is where using good quality paper is going to help you because it's thicker and it also has a little bit of stretch, so it will give you a very nice result. So once you're done covering all your pieces with crepe paper, you can go ahead and put them in place. Try to ensure that you don't end up with any gaps, and you can also use a little bit of hot glue to join any gaps. Next, we're going to make the ears, so transfer the shape from your template onto thin cardboard and cover it with crepe paper. You can use 2 layers if needed, if the paper is too sheer, and you will also need to cover the back of the ears, because this part will also be visible. And then you can go ahead and glue the ears down. And now we will do the face features. So use your template to cut the eyes, the cheeks, and the mouth. And lastly, we're going to cut the stem of the pumpkin. You will need to cover it with the green paper, and you can use thin strips of black paper to create the ridges. And we are almost done. Now we can go ahead and attach the stem at the top of the head and then place the eyes and the mouth and the cheeks. So Cinnamoroll is ready. He looks so cute. And the only thing that is left to do now is to make a handle. So just take a strip of the thin cardboard and cover it with the black paper or any other color that you prefer. The width of the strip in this case is a little bit less than 1 inch, and then just go ahead and take your hot glue and attach it to the sides. And that's it, we are done. He looks so cute. These are so adorable, honestly. So if you want to make this project, just go ahead and get the template. I will leave you the link down in the description below. And if you like this idea, please like the video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you for the next one.